Hey there, friend. It's good to see you again. We're standing here beside an old tree with a story of its own. You see that heart? Someone carved it long ago. Now time and nature have wrapped their arms around it. Brought another Pokémon GO pack today. Still hoping to spot that sneaky little Ditto. But I think I'll let the cards do the talking. Well now, look at that. Touch of ice on a warm day. Just the kind of surprise that makes these little adventures worthwhile. Thank you for tagging along today. It means more than you know. So until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.